push me. And you don't fucking push me. Fuck you back. You get out of my hands off our suffrage. People died for this, and if it requires us to, we will die defending it.
I don't say what What do you tell me? You guys.
How can I make someone into the home office?
But now that's it, man.
Like, are you guys serious? Like, how can you be here and trying to stop us from speaking out? You should be in Zimbabwe. We should all be in Zimbabwe right now. But we are here because something is wrong, right? So they shouldn't really hide behind, trying to...
The unfortunate and sad situation for this is for them to choose the day of independence to do their anti-Zimbabwe demonstrations. Yeah, they may phrase it as the anti-ZANU PF or whichever way they're phrasing, but it's in essence being anti-Zimbabwe. Because this is the Zimbabwe. I mean, imagine your mother is having a birthday celebration, and then you bring all these issues that you have about your school fees not paid, your this and that, all those kind of things.